Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want fresh vegetables, quality broth, and any proteins you desire. A sturdy pot, such as a 5-quart Dutch oven, is ideal for simmering. Ensure all your components are prepped and ready to go before you even turn on the stove. This organized approach makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable, setting you up for success. The secret to a delicious soup lies in building layers of flavor. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, like 1 cup of diced onion, 1 cup of carrots, and 1 cup of celery, in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are tender. Next, deglaze the pot with about 1/2 cup of wine or broth, scraping up any brown bits. Incorporate your chosen herbs and spices, perhaps a teaspoon of dried thyme or bay leaves, allowing them to bloom in the heat. Once your flavor base is established, it's time to add the main liquid. Pour in about 8 cups of quality broth or water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, or until all vegetables are tender. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can whisk in a cornstarch slurry, made from 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water, during the last 10 minutes. Now for the final touches. Taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add another ½ teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, or a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. Just before serving, stir in fresh herbs like a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley or a drizzle of heavy cream for richness. Ladle your delicious homemade soup into bowls, perhaps with a sprinkle of croutons, and enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.